Hi, good morning. My name is Elizabeth Juan. Today I'm going to make hot cake. The ingredients are a cup of flour, 2 eggs, a cup of milk, 1 spoon of butter. Put the flour in a bowl. Add 2 eggs. Add the cup of milk. 1 spoon of butter. Mix the ingredients. When the mixture is ready, heat a frying pan. Cook for 2 minutes and serve. Now enjoy them. Bye.